Hello and welcome to Inchworm Gardens. This is a small home garden located in Hermitage, Tennessee, about 10 miles east of Nashville. My name's Jared, and I decided to start this YouTube channel as a way to share my garden with friends, connect with new like-minded people, and impart some of the information that I've learned over the years gardening. Now this is actually only my third year gardening, so I'm still learning a lot myself, but I thought it'd be fun to document the process, show you what I'm doing, and hopefully inspire you to go out there and grow something for yourself. I'll also be making short, concise videos on specific individual varieties of plants. So if you already have a garden, you're looking for new things to try, hopefully you'll find this as a useful resource. Because I'm actually attempting to grow over 100 different varieties of fruits, veggies, leafy greens, herbs, flowers, all started from seed this year. Most of it's already in the ground or inside growing under grow lights. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to be putting a full list of all 100 plus plants that I'll be growing in the notes below. If you're interested, you can check that out. So I'll also actually be bringing in some fruit trees, some blueberry bushes, blackberries, raspberries, a fig tree, a big muscadine grapevine, and I'm going to work out how to squeeze it all into this small 500-foot home garden. So I put a lot of time into planning and preparing the garden this year. I'm really excited about it. I hope you'll join me on the adventure. Hit the subscribe button, stay tuned for future videos. See you soon. Thanks for watching.